Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Ventas's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ventas, a leading real estate investment trust, has just released its Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strong performance in the senior housing sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Ventas reported a total revenue of $1.49 billion for Q3 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Ventas has shown a robust increase in revenue, driven by their senior housing operating portfolio. The net income attributable to common stockholders was 14 cents per share, a significant improvement from 5 per share last year. Their normalized funds from operations, or FFO, also increased to 88 per share, reflecting a 10% growth year over year.
That's impressive. What about their net operating income?
Their NOI grew by 20% year over year, which is a testament to their effective management and strategic investments in senior housing.
Senior housing and strategic investments. John, Ventas's senior housing operating portfolio seems to be a major driver of their success. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The SHOP segment saw a 16% year-over-year growth in same-store cash NOI, with U.S. growth leading at 19%. This was supported by a 270 basis point increase in occupancy year-over-year. Ventas has also been aggressive with their acquisitions, closing $2.2 billion in senior housing investments year-to-date, and they've increased their investment volume guidance to $2.5 billion for 2025.
How does this position them for future growth?
These strategic investments are expected to enhance their earnings and growth rate over the coming years, capitalizing on the growing demand for senior housing.
Financial strength and guidance. Let's talk about Ventas's financial strength and their updated guidance. What are the key highlights here?
Ventas has strengthened its financial profile with a net debt-to-EBITDA ratio of 5.3x, down from 6.3x last year. They have $4.1 billion in liquidity, which provides significant financial flexibility. Importantly, they've increased their full-year guidance for normalized FFO to a range of $3.45 to $3.48 per share, reflecting their confidence in continued growth.
And what about their interest expenses?
Their interest expense is projected to be around $615 million at the midpoint, which is manageable given their strong cash flow and liquidity position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 87 cents for Ventas. How did the actual results compare?
Ventas reported an actual EPS of 88 cents, slightly beating the analyst forecast of 87 cents. This beat, although modest, reflects positively on the company's operational efficiency and strategic execution, particularly in their senior housing segment.
And what does this mean for investor sentiment?
The sentiment is quite positive. Beating expectations even slightly reinforces confidence in Ventas's growth strategy and management's ability to deliver on their promises.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Ventas has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025, with significant growth in their senior housing portfolio and a solid financial position. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Ventas is well positioned for future growth, especially with the increasing demand for senior housing. Their strategic investments and strong financial management make them an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth in the real estate sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ventas's performance in the comments below.